Guten Tag, Innovation. This is Mr. Roussel. Good morning. Today is Thursday, September 24th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated, scholars. On this day in history in 1908, the first factory-built Ford Model T was completed, which became affectionately known as the Tin Lizzie. In 1960, the USS Enterprise became the world's first nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, which is still part of the U.S. Navy, but is scheduled for decommissioning, and still holds the record for the longest naval vessel in the world. And in 1968, the investigative television news magazine program 60 Minutes was shown for the first time on CBS. Our quote of the day comes from Winston Churchill. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Important news for the week. As a reminder, we've got that Fun Friday celebration resuming tomorrow with shout outs and shirts given, so keep on doing your best. Also, as a reminder, those classes are still 70 minutes long, so make sure you're logged in on time if you're not going to be in person on that day. As I mentioned, we have a lot of birthdays this week. Unfortunately, we don't have any today, but if you see any of the scholars on this list, please wish them a happy birthday week. Let's see what we've got cooking in the cafeteria. Breakfast today is a cereal and cracker pack, while lunch is a calzone with zesty lemon broccoli. Sounds delicious. Our core value of the week, Mr. Russell's making it rain if you are sweating the small stuff. Remember, small mistakes can add up to big problems quick. Don't neglect your corrections or your edits. If you need an extra set of eyes on your work, don't hesitate to ask a friend, a teacher, or even Mr. Roussel. As always, I hope you guys are going to have a fantastic day. Make sure you be good and rise to every occasion. Have a great day, Innovation.